Hi guys, well I'm making another video today. I'm on my local lake, Lake Illawarra. I'm launching off the Oak Flats ski park, but the majority of my main goal today is using this rod here. This is the estuary model. I want to give this a good crack. I didn't use it on the basin last weekend for the comp, so I want to give a good feel of these guys and give you guys a bit of a review how these are. All my arrow rods are all rigged up. The black one's on there. You got the matte AU, the muddy prawn, shallow wake bait, and you got the green ghost shad in the mid as well. So I was going to flick around some of these edges around here. I haven't been up here before, but I always wanted to. So let's just go and catch some fish and see how we go. I might show you guys too how I prime my bait tank, and I'll let you know how that goes, and then see if we can catch some fish for you guys. Cheers. There's my rod set up for today, guys. I've got the black, and I've got the muddy prawn, shallow wake bait. I've got the matte AU, and I've got the ghost green shad. And then the power pole. I love it. But it looks very clear here, so the straight through might work perfect. It's low tide at the moment too, so I'm just going to hit those little edges over there and see how we go. Cheers. I'll prime my bait tank. Okay guys, well I'm going about to prime my bait tank. First things first, plug your battery in. Then what I do now is, a lot of guys usually pedal hard to get them primed. I never really tried that before, but I think it looks like a lot of work. So what I do, I got myself a bucket, little siphon pump. I've got a one-way valve, and I've got a little extender on that with holes in it, so it gives more airflow and more bubbles. So let's just get into it, and I'll show you how it works. First of all, in there is like a little doobie lucky that fits on my bilge pump. I usually fill it up just past there. Just fill it up just like that. Keep going until you got that water over that little black plug I showed you. Hopefully it's easy to see for you guys, but I'll let you know when I'm actually got it over the hole. Slowly filling up. Probably need a bigger bucket. Couple more scoops. Alright, that should be enough now. So then you get this. This is just like a little siphon thing. What you do, first thing is turn it on. You hear it humming. And what you do with this little doobie lucky here, you put it down on here, you put it in the hole, and you pump it a few times, and you can hear it push the air. Pushing air in, then you can hear it come up. Then it flows out. And what it does, it just keeps flowing back in. So what I do now is, with this one-way valve, I connect it to this plug here, and now that's pumping down. So what I do, I get this other piece here, which has got holes in it. I usually tie it to this, so it gives you a bit of a bubble, bit of airflow for the fish to make it a bit better. I'm not sure if it's true or not, but I like keeping looking after my fish. So what it is just like it's just like bubbles, just like that, and that's your final result. So yeah, just a couple of bubbles in it, just bubbles in there, and then it looks after the fish a bit more. Yeah, so thanks for watching guys, and let's go fishing. Hopefully I'll have some fish in the well for you. Let's go fishing. What a day. Well, there goes my first one guys, 11:27 update. I don't think he's legal, but that's one, little one. So yeah, fishing.com.au, just on the squid here. Love flats fishing, love flats fishing. You. Well, there you go, guys. I didn't think he was legal, but he's legal. 25.5. Well, he's going in the well. I'll show you guys how I do my tagging and how I use my scales. Well, this is ball 1. So what I did last night is put a number 1 in the ball. So what I do is I'll show you how I do that on the scales. So next time I don't get confused in a comp, so I know which one's the biggest, which one's the smallest. But I'll show you on the scales anyway. Stay tuned. Oh, but the tag's in. There's like a little membrane there, guys, in the corner of the mouth of the brim. Doesn't hurt them. Well, I don't think so anyway, but this is not going to be number 1. So I'll show you how I measure them on my scales. So what I do now, these are my scales, guys. So what I do now, I'll show you how I weigh my fish. Alright guys, this brim I just got, the first in the well, which is 25.5, nearly 26 centimeters. So the scales are saying he's 300 grams. So I've got one in the well, guys. One in the well. 2 more. Get 2 more. Pretty tough out here, but pretty glassy. There you go, guys. Next cast. Puffer fish. Alright guys, a 2 o'clock update. Still got one in the well. Yeah, just picking all those edges over here. There's just so much weed on top of the water too, which makes it a bit difficult to get your lures down there. Over there you got your Duck Creek. And straight up here you got the power station, where everyone launches their boats. But there's another spot down here I want to try down here, just around the corner from the power station. But yeah, I'm slowly working back to Berkeley boat ramp so my partner can pick me up, hopefully before dark. But it's very tough out here, guys. Yeah, it's incredible. Good old Lake Illawarra. You. Always tough. But yeah, but the water's 19.5 degrees, and so it's not cold, but it's not bad. So I just got to get in the bite. Alright, well, stay tuned. I'm gonna keep going fishing. See how I go. We'll update the 251, guys. Alright guys, but he's legal. He's 27 on the tip. He's a little bit bigger than the other one. That means there's 2 in a well. 340 grams. So lock that in. Alright guys, just a little flatty. Little bycatch, bit of fun, throw them back. Alright guys, this is a bit of a wrap up. Today I ended up getting 4 bites. I've got 2 bream in the well, only little swickers, but yeah, it's still fish. Yeah, so then a bycatch, a little flatty, and my fish, but I pulled the hooks. So yeah, so 4 bites. But hey, that's fishing. I'm a local waterway, Lake Illawarra. So yeah, I used the Atomic Arrows estuary rod today, guys. These are fantastic. I highly rate them. And this 2-piece, the best thing about these things is you don't really realise actually it's 2-piece. It feels like a 1-piece. But that's me 12 pound Major Craft in the green version, Denicum Raid, and the black did the damage again guys, just because it's just dirty water, so it's perfect for these scenarios. Well guys, well I'll leave it there. Thanks for watching, and so till next time, cheers. There you go guys, the little squeakers, only babies, still fish.